Welcome to Henson Septic Tanks and Supplies. We are a family-owned manufacturing company specializing in concrete septic tanks since 1999. Our concrete residential septic tanks give Missouri homeowners a reliable solution for wastewater management systems. At Henson Septic Tanks and Supplies, our tanks come in range of sizes and can be modified to meet specific project or county needs. Although we do not pump or service the tanks, we do provide the supplies needed to have it operating properly. Along with septic tanks, we also specialize in concrete well houses, safe rooms, electrical vaults, and more. We are always refining our expertise and learning new methods to be more efficient in our work. Call us today for your free estimate.